It's a huge rain nowadays. So I think monsoon season is alright earlier in our city, in our hill. So right now I'm in Siliguri. So this is the Nazara of early in the morning, 5 o'clock a.m. So, moral of the story, these days I could not walk outside because of rain. It's beautiful rainy season because it relieves us from the hot weather in Siliguri as well as in our hill. So we are happy that monsoon is alright early. So these days I shoot my vlogs and all videos and all inside my studio in my room which I make a studio myself. So continue raining is going on, so no outside vlogs also. So here we go. Wow, early in the morning. So you can see the small waterfall outside my room. Okay, I will make some reel for this also. Okay. Ooh, see you soon, guys, with a lot of nice view with greeneries outside one day. That one day will come soon. Okay, weather is so cool. More rain to come. See you soon, guys, in outside vlog.